Kia ora everybody, welcome to Auckland, New Zealand. My name is Mark and I'll be your host for today's virtual tour on board an Auckland Harbour cruise. Now during this tour we'll get to see spectacular views of the Auckland Harbour Bridge, Auckland's cityscape, and of course Auckland's largest volcano, Rangitoto Island. As always, all information on opening times and locations are posted under each tour on our website. Now, what I do know is we've got about 1 minute before our cruise departs. So without any further ado, let's head over and pick up our tickets, which are waiting for us over here. Now the first thing you want to know about